These are the hands of your best friend forever. Remember that every time they touch in the future. Ready? Ready? All right. So Zach, you could say your vows to Nancy.
Nancy, it feels just like yesterday when we first started talking to each other on Tinder. Who would have known that our first date would have turned into a lifetime together? When I think about coming to see you in Battle Creek for the first time, I remember being nervous, excited, and I also parked in the wrong part of the complex. After numerous trips to Battle Creek and many more to my apartment in Grand Rapids, everything came together when both of our leases ended at the same time. Soon I would be helping you move out of your old place and into mine. With our little family, Hunter, Orion, and Iris, we quickly outgrew our apartment and we purchased our first home where we made lots of memories together. After spending a few years there, we would outgrow our home and we would be on our way. When we planned another trip to the UP after settling into our new place, I knew I wanted you to be my wife.
Right in the middle.
Sneaking away and keeping the ring hidden was no easy task, but after a successful proposal, the rest was history.
Freak out. That's serious. Nancy, will you marry me? I'm serious. I'm serious. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
To say that I'm lucky is an understatement. I can't believe I found such an amazing person to spend my time with.
So say yeah.
You are smart, kind, and beautiful. You are an amazing artist, animal mom, and a blast to hang around. I can't wait to make more meals together, silly dances in front of the mirror, binge watching Netflix, and just sitting with you doing absolutely nothing. You are so kind and caring, and it shows in all that you do. You have helped me grow so much, and you are truly my best friend. I love you so much, and I can't wait to see what's in store for us.
But right now, in this very moment in time, the two of you are connecting together like that Mackinac Bridge over there. Kind of connects two different but equally great peninsulas together. And you know those raindrops that have been falling on and off all day today that keep these lakes filled? Huh? Yeah, and make those peninsulas? Nobody I know has the ability to walk down to that lake, pick up one of those raindrops out of that lake, and say, Jim, this is that raindrop. Because they're all intertwined with the lake right now. Just like your lives are going to become more intertwined from this day forward. And you know, I don't know how much you know about the lakes, but they're pretty big. We already talked about them being 360 miles long. Yeah, and they're pretty deep, and they're pretty strong, and they're pretty mighty. And if you came back here tomorrow and look at this coastline, it'll look a little bit different because it's always changing. Huh? Yeah. And sometimes they're really calm, and sometimes they're really rough, and sometimes it's really stormy out there. Well, that's what's going to kind of happen to your love from this day forward. It's going to get a little stronger. It's going to get a little deeper. It's going to get a little mightier. And then it might be calm for a while. And then it's going to get a little deeper, a little stronger, a little mightier, and it might even be stormy. But after that, it's going to get a little deeper and a little stronger and a little mightier. And that's what goes on with love. It just goes on and on through cycles over and over again, getting stronger and deeper and mightier.
Where do I begin? We were in our mid-20s on an app. I noticed a guy in skinny jeans and a beanie with an Adventure Time quote. I knew we were different because you weren't holding a dead animal. We learned so much about each other. I learned that you don't like pickles and that you're okay scrolling past movies forever until we finally find one to watch. You learned that my hobbies change like the seasons and that I would have a personal petting zoo if I could. Ready? Babe, one day, we may have to leave each other without the chance to say goodbye. I want you to know I've never had a best friend like you.
Zach Woods. Oh, so close.
I will always be by your side. I will always be your cheerleader and partner in crime. I will always remind you to have fun and do what makes you happy. I will always tell you to eat the cookies at midnight and that we don't have to take out the garbage every week so that we can be lazy together. I promise to keep you wild by telling you it's okay to drive 10 over and that it's okay to do a U-turn where there's a sign that clearly says no U-turn, but only if there's no cops. Most importantly, I promise to appreciate you each and every day, love you each and every day, and hold your hand in every lifetime. I love you, Zachary King, and I can't wait to love each other for the rest of our lives and after.
And it's love that will keep you together. You need another one of these, Zach?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna keep it together.